likely to be another very busy day for a lot of the country. And let's take a look at the setup. So you've got this very strong upper low coming in. Along with that, low-level moisture and humidity driving in from the south, and then very strong winds at a slightly different angle coming up with a slightly different trajectory. And that little bit of turning of the wind with height is what gets us these rotating storms. But that's going to be reaching up and into the upper Midwest tomorrow. So that tornado threat is also going to come up into the upper Midwest. Here's a look at the Torcon values, talking about a 5 out of 10 in eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. So that means you towards Des Moines possibly, as well as Omaha and Lincoln, 4 out of 10 in eastern Kansas, and it's going to be a 5 out of 10 in central Texas. So another very big day, we think, tomorrow for severe weather. Alex, over to you.
All right, thank you so much, Carl. We're going to stay tuned with you and Dr. Forbes. Got to talk a little bit about Tropical Storm Ana. You're feeling the effects along coastal parts of North and South Carolina right now. Winds 60 miles an hour. Not anticipating this to strengthen as it gets closer slowly to the coast right now, moving only 3 miles per hour. Winds at a buoy 40 miles an hour, but on Myrtle Beach, it's 21-mile-per-hour winds just under that for Wilmington, North Carolina. So what do we have in the forecast for those winds as far as Ana is concerned? Could see gusts 30 to 35 miles an hour, 40 to 50 miles an hour as we get into tomorrow morning, lunchtime, and early afternoon around Myrtle Beach. So those winds are going to be whipping. We've got that surf. We've got the rip currents that are dangerous. So, it's not going to be a day where you want to be out on the beach anyway, but you would definitely not want to get in the water. Tropical storm warnings from parts of central South Carolina all the way up towards the Outer Banks. Charleston under a tropical storm watch because of Ana. And in Wilmington, this is what you've got through tomorrow. Heavy rain and storms, winds over 45 miles an hour for gusts, and rough surf and strong rip currents. Our continuing coverage of our coast-to-coast triple threat, Ana, Winter Storm Venus, and the severe weather continues after this break.
Currently in our area, 77 degrees under sunny skies. Tonight, cloudy intervals, low 61, winds south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday, sun and a few passing clouds. High 87, winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday night, mainly clear skies.
Right now, a dangerous weather weekend from severe weather in the plains to our newly named Winter Storm Venus in the Rockies, and Tropical Storm Ana bringing wind and heavy rain to the southeast coast. We are tracking it all. The latest on what it means for your weekend on our special storm coverage. Hi there. Thank you so much for joining us for this extended coverage on our triple threat. I'm meteorologist Alex Wilson. We've got storm specialist Carl Parker, severe weather expert Dr. Greg Forbes. They'll be joining me in just a few moments with the very latest analysis on these major weather stories. But right now, we've got Stephen Denny on the phone. He's a storm chaser, and he is east of Stephenville, Texas, and this area under a tornado watch. And Stephen, are you looking at that storm in Erath County?
Yes, I am.
Okay, now we've got reports of a confirmed tornado on that. Have you been able to spot it?
Not yet. We're a little bit farther away from it. It is coming right towards us right now. I'm a minute away. I can definitely see the lowing. I can see the wall cloud, but like I said, this whole thing's been wrapped in rain the whole time, so it's a little hard to spot at this moment right now. But
thanks for joining WNN News, and you're watching the Weather Channel's live coverage of the triple weekend threat. Have a nice day, everybody.